What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, we will create our first app which is called Dictionary. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
First of all, let me demonstrate you what you will create with the end of this video. Let me run the app data.py. We will enter a word and this program will give the definition of that word. Let's say we will enter a laptop. It will give the definition of a laptop. After that, if we again run it and again write any word, let's say rain, it will give the definition of rain. And if you write computer, anything, it will give definition of that. So how can you do that? Simply just let me clear this program. To do so, first download the file, this data.json. The link of this file is down in description. Go and download that and then put that file here. Save that file in the project or in the folder which you are running. Then simply import JSON. It's a standard library. It is already present in the Python, so we no need to install it. So then we'll create a variable. Let's say data equals to JSON. Then we add an object named load. What it will do, it will load this file data.json. Then in this file, we will put the file name open dot. You know, if you have followed my previous tutorials, what is this open is. Then we put the json dot data dot json. After that, we create a function that's a translate tran translate. Then word, because it will translate the word. Then we simply put a return type. Let's say return data word. After that, we will take the input from the user. Let's say user input equals to input, enter a word. Then we will simply print this out. Let's say translate user input and save this file. And if we run this program, so let enter the word. What this file is, it contains all the letters of the all the words of the dictionary in it. So we have imported this file in this program. So let enter any word, random word. Let's say Python, the command name for a group, or it gives the name for the Python, definition for the Python. Let again write any word, random word. Let's say input. It will give the definition of input. But if you put any wrong word, let's say this, it will give us an error. How we can improve this? To do that, we will use the if statement. How? Let me tell you. We will put if word in data. Let me tell you. Wait. What this means, if this word which the user will enter is present in this data file, then return the meaning or definition. If it is not present, then else print word does not exist, try again. So let's check our program again. Let's type in Android. So it shows an error, not error. It will give the word does not exist, try again. And one more thing, sorry, if we write in this capital, let's say, it it thinks that word does not exist. But we know that the rain word have some meaning. So how can we improve that too? Simply in this function, we will convert this upper letter in the lower letter. How can we do that? Also, if the user enter any random word like this, it also shows an error. So to improve that, we'll convert this word into lowercase. Let's say words equals to word dot lower. So let's see what will be the output now. Let's say we enter rain. So it gives the definition of the rain. So that's all. In the next tutorial, I will tell you how you can get the suggestion for the word if the user enter a wrong word like this. Let me show you. If the user enter the word like this, we know that it does not exist. So in the next video, I will tell you how your program can suggest the word which is similar to it like Google does. So stay with me and meet in the next tutorial.